The garden. The garden. And this is the healthy snack segment, and we are featuring nuts. We are starting with pistachios. Yes, pistachios are highly nutritious, low-calorie nuts packed with antioxidants, protein, fiber, and vitamin B6, making them excellent for heart health, weight management, and blood sugar regulation. A 1 ounce 49 kernel serving provides high potassium, also aids in lowering blood pressure, improves eye health, and promotes a healthy gut. What are the key health benefits of pistachios? Heart health and blood pressure. And it also reduces cholesterol levels and improves vascular function, weight management. Nutrient-dense superfood. They are high in antioxidants including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health. They also provide vitamin B6, phosphorus, and copper. Blood sugar regulation, good for digestion. Improved sleep. Pistachios contain a high level of melatonin, which can aid in improving sleep quality. High protein for vegans and vegetarians. Pistachios provide a strong plant-based protein source. There you have it. That about sums it up. That's right, that about wraps it up. Ooh, these nuts are incredible. Please be sure to follow, to like, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and check us out on IG, on Instagram. We are over there as well. The Garden Table Plan System. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day or night. Thank you.